Hey guys, this is a rivet gun. It is made by this brand right here. It also comes with 200 rivets in 5 different sizes. It has all the sizes on the box right here. And look at that. It looks pretty cool and very heavy duty. It does spring back. You can see here. Very nice. Each package has the label of the size. Some are small and some are bigger. This is the biggest one right here. Look at these pins. It has a very strong reinforced carbon steel construction. Check out the grip handles right here. They're ergonomic and built out of strong high quality PVC material. The rivet pins are made of aluminum. This is a great rivet tool. Check it out.